Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming updates and backing up any faces you want to keep. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and go straight to Face Gallery to pick a base face. Make sure you have a photos album ready with any images you'll use and list the complications you want visible. This gets you into the editor quickly, so you can start modifying elements without stoppage and avoid later rework when syncing to your watch. You now dig into customization. Change style, color, and dial elements to set the tone. Once you pick a complication slot, prioritize glanceable data like time zones or timers and limit third-party complications to 1 or 2 to avoid clutter. For photo faces, crop and set motion or perspective so the image reads at wrist size. Make sure to preview how each change looks on the simulated watch in the app, so you can balance legibility with aesthetics before saving. You finish by tapping Add to send the finished face to your watch, then set it as current in My Faces. Once synced, you can share the face using face sharing or import faces someone sends you and remove duplicates if needed. If the face doesn't appear, make sure Bluetooth is on, restart both devices, and try re-adding the face. Often a quick reboot resolves sync hiccups. Finally, review complication permissions in the Watch app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.